Hello everyone, welcome to imacooker channel. Today we are going to make DeSoto special mixed fruit juice. All the fresh ingredients, we are going to add it, mix it, make it into a pulpy juicy type, and it's gonna taste delicious. And I'm going to add all the ingredients in the description box. Let's get started. Now I have finished cutting all the fruits into small pieces, and let's go ahead and do the recipe now. First, to a bowl, add chopped bananas. Now we are going to mash it. Do not make it into a fine paste, we just want to be it in a bite size. Next we are going to add pineapple. Now let's add ripe papayas. Now let's add ripe mangoes. Our main goal is to mix it, and we don't want to crush everything. We just want to make sure we are going to bite into the fruits. Let's add chikkoo or sapota. Next, add apples. Next, add watermelon. Next, add few blueberries. Next, add honey or any sugar substitute you like. Next, we are going to add guava juice. You can either add water or any other fruit juice you like. Now let's serve DeSoto special mixed fruit juice. Now let's try the DeSoto special. That's so yummy, all the fruits mixed together, it brings out a wonderful flavor. And if you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and enjoy the recipe. Thank you.